I have been interested in issues of human rights and torture for quite a long time, and was very proud to be able to bring some of that experience to the board of Freedom from Torture. Not least because Freedom from Torture doesn't just, important as it is, care about its clients, the victims, the survivors of torture, but also tries to do something with the information to try and get it stopped. Today has been a very, very interesting day with both doctors from Freedom from Torture and elsewhere, lawyers, even including a judge of the upper tribunal, which is the appeals court from the immigration tribunal, giving legal and practical information about what the problems are of asylum seekers, especially asylum seekers who need to show that they have been tortured and are at risk of torture if they are returned to their countries, to prove the facts of the case. There is a strong reluctance of immigration officials and to some extent of judges to be prepared to believe a story, even if doctors have declared it to be true, unless they have prepared their reports to the highest standards of probative value. And even then, they can come up with almost impossible questions like, how do we know they didn't pay to have the branding inflicted on their backs, for example? The people who are taking these decisions see their job as a default one of saying no, unless there's a really strong reason to say yes. If there's a plausible case, then the government should be answering it, not making an impossible demand of people who have gone through hell to get here and be here. The government does understand that there are real problems of professional inquiry into whether or not a person who claims to have been tortured has been tortured, and it can't easily be dealt with just by a case holder in the Home Office.